Hello, welcome to Greyhound Automotive. We have a 2008 Imperial tri-axle gooseneck power tilt trailer. Has a spare tire on the top. The upper deck is 4x6, standard 7-way plug. It has a brand new breakaway box. Here's the latch to unlatch the tilt bed. That's the connector there on the side for the controller for the tilt bed. It has a gorilla winch on there. Tires are in good shape. The boards have like a bed liner type material to aid in traction. Dexter axles. The previous owner had these center axle replaced, and all the brakes have been adjusted. It's a 21,000 gvwr. It has a quick disconnect here for the winch and for the tilt bed.